Hey guys, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Yeah, in this video again now, I'm just going to take you straight to point blank. The main thing today we are going to now look onto at the moment is about how do we set up Jupyter for Python data science. Okay, I'm just uploading the video right now online onto my YouTube channel for you guys who may be interested. And I haven't listed for you down some few things here because I know guys maybe you might be asking me and maybe asking a lot of stuff. Okay, so data science, multiple discipline field that uses scientific method, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insight from structured and unstructured data. So data science is related to data mining and big data. So cut the story short, make sure some of my friends you happen to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm just uploading that video which you guys yeah, I've just uploaded. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be in a position to have that thing go with you, have the field complete logic behind. Now let me just take you straight how do you have Jupyter installed into your PC, how do you install it, and do all those stuff. Now I hope by now guys you have already watched my previous video and you have also learned how you can actually set up your Python to the environment, because after setting Python environment we shall definitely be in a position to use Jupyter. Now let's see. The first thing I'm going to do is to make sure I go to my CMD. So you go to your CMD, type CMD possible, and after typing CMD you should have a screen, a black screen or whatever screen of yours. Mine's like this because that's what I'm using. So inside there, make sure you just go on and do what we are going to do. So make sure that when you type like this, Python by default, you should be having Python already, configured into your PC so that you can be in a position to do what you have to do. Now, actually, I've told you earlier now, I'm using Python 3.6, so I'm just going to get out of the shell. I can quit it off so that I get out. So the next thing that I want to do at the moment is to just install Jupyter so that I can actually use Python for to do all those stuff, so data science and machine learning and all those stuff if possible. Then I told you the simplest option is to actually have Anaconda installed in your PC. I already have one installed in my PC, Anaconda. So I already have one with me there. I think you can see there. But if you don't have SnowSim, but it's good practice to have it because it have all those modules. You're going to have all of them installed in your PC at once. Now to save time, let me just take you straight to the point so that we can have our things installed. So I don't know which version of Python you're using. If you're using Python 2.6 or if Python 2.7, if you have Python 2.6 or Python 3.7, good to go. But if you have more than two versions of Python, okay, let me start from one. If you have one version of Python installed, just say pip. Just say pip install and then specify what you want to install. We're installing Jupyter, so just know the spelling Jupyter like that. So when you hit enter, definitely you'll be in position to have Jupyter installed in your PC. But now for this time around, I have three versions of Python installed in my PC. I have Python 2.7, I have Python 3.6, I have Python 3.7. Yes, I think I have them. Now you find out at the end of the day, every data up data to be stored in different versions of Python on its local environment. So that implies in a simple time you have to set the root and the default, where all of those versions of Pythons can actually be stored in your PC. Now, I already have mine, and that's why you see it's just popping up like that. So guys, if you already have it installed in your PC, just make sure you have it so that you can see ourselves getting started. Now, on the other way around, I think I already have Python installed in my PC. I already have it installed in my PC. No, that's good to go. But then you would need to do the following. If you have three versions of Python, just say pip3. If you have Python 2.7, say pip2. If you have two versions of Python installed at once, make sure you say pip 2.7 or pip2 if you have only one version of Python 2. If you have version 3 and you have more than two, like me, I have 3.6 and I have 3.7, I have to specify that. I have to say version 3.7 install for me Jupyter like that. Jupyter like that. So when I hit enter, trust me, I'll be in position to actually install Jupyter into my PC. So I already have that installed in my PC. I already have it. Don't worry what you're seeing just in mind of the file, blah blah. But I already have Jupyter installed on my PC. So for you guys who really maybe have different versions of Python, make sure you have that set into your PC so that you can use it ready for data science. Then you guys maybe from within Uganda and would like to run this course with me, then just come always Predictor Solution. Come on, do it practically if that's what you feel like it's going to be good. Now remember, Python is a combination of different things. I wish you guys can actually take time and watch this video of mine. I happen to say some few things here. Python is mainly it's a combination that we talk about things concerning. We deal with the two things. For someone may ask me, is Python is data science hard or it is something simple? I may say to my side, data science is simple. But I know you may say data science is hard. Now, data science is simple and data science is also hard in this way. Data science will expect you to be very, very good in database programming. When I talk of database programming, I mean SQL and advanced and not SQL. Okay? When I talk of SQL, I mean also not SQL. It should also be good in the MongoDB, Flask, the Django, and all those stuff if possible. Then also talk on the other way around, SQLite also should be also good with SQLite. Then also talk about programming itself with the Python, right? From Python, introduction to Python, to OOP, object-oriented Python, where you deal with the functions and all those stuff, so that you can create classes and functions. If you reach there that level, you can always just come in, combine this logic behind, and then you come up with the data science. Now, that science does not end there. Remember, to deal with the data science, we are going to be predicting up the client's information. That implies, in a simple term, I should be having a skill in business management. I should have a skill in something called financial management. At least I should have a skill in communication skill. I should have communication skill. That's why I'm trying so much, learn English if possible, so that you can find a way of interpreting, generating up data. Remember, these programming languages are made in English. I know this is a foreign language to some of us. Like, you can just see my skin and know. Actually, I'm from Africa, so definitely that implies in a simple term you should be very good in communication skill. And actually, if you're good in communication skill, you can always find a way generating this data simply and possibly for the rest of your life. Now, I'm not going to take a lot of time. Remember, guys, we already installed our Jupyter into our PC, so that implies my Python 2.7 is already, Python 2.6 is already having Jupyter installed into it, and Python 2.7 I think it also has already Jupyter installed into it. Now, at the moment, even by default, or even my Anaconda, I think also has got Jupyter installed into it. Now, let me just save this time. Let's go just straight and open up Jupyter into our PC. So don't just come in here and type Jupyter. If you just type there Jupyter, fine, it's going to ask you some file, something like that. Or if you type in here Jupyter dash notebook like that, it will definitely work for some of you guys if you use Linux or whatever. But with Windows, most cases may not tend to rope up. Which correction I will show in the next video, not now. But I'm going to just show you right now in this video how to launch it. Now, remember you have already installed it on your PC. So the simplest way to have it launched on your PC is just by clicking on the window button, click the window button, and then just type Jupyter. Type Jupyter like that. So definitely we shall be seeing here Jupyter notebook. So when I click on it, you can actually run as administrator or something like that. So definitely if you do that, you should find up Jupyter notebook opening up for us. But remember, it has to launch. So you give it some time, it's going to generate up those files. Remember, it's going to start up a server for you. Let me hide myself a bit as it starts up. I know it's going to start up soon. So when you guys will happen to start up soon, I think we are going to be just in position to see how we really do that stuff. So I'm going to first pause a bit as I wait for the stuff to proceed so that we can actually find ourselves started continue with it after it launching. Hey guys, mine has just launched up now. I've just launched my Jupyter, so the Jupyter has just launched up, and that's it. So the point is that we already have Jupyter now. We already have the notebook app, Jupyter Lab, blah blah, beta preview expansion, blah blah. This is where the stuff is located in my PC. Actually, to be safer way, on the safer side, you can actually go to this directory. You add this to the path, you get? Add this to the path, so that you can actually next time you don't need to waste time, so that you can actually launch it. Then it will always by default let you know where you can actually run your stuff. So you can always copy this down. You can always copy this that URL and then you launch it, in your browser. Like if I happen to go here and I just type 127/that, definitely I'll be in a position to launch up Jupyter onto my PC. Now it's asking me some stupid password there. Fine, I already have mine this side, so I'm not going to waste time there to give password. I don't even whether I still remember my password. So to start using or to start dealing with it, the next thing you always see something here. Something here called new. So you can always click on new and select what you want. So you can always say I want Python. So you click on Python. It's going to open for a new browser, something like that. And then you definitely happen to come into the platform where you can start up using Python. So if I happen to say maybe import for me something called maybe let me say import what. You can say whatever thing you want import. Or I can simply say let me just say print. Since I'm using Python 3, it should be inside the bracket. Maybe print hello world. Now I know you guys have been used to just hitting enter. Now here with the Python this, you just need to click on run. So you click there, another thing you can see the output there given to us. And you can still come back on this same piece of code and create something. Let me just try to create some smaller function around here if possible. I'm just going to move this. I'm just going to come back down here and just create some kind of a list if possible array. So I can simply say maybe names, if possible, names is equal to the list of names. So I have David, maybe that. I have maybe Brian. Those are all the names of my neighbor's name, or the names of the neighbor who is actually sitting next to you as you're watching this video. Maybe another name, maybe let me just say other name, maybe that's the case. So that's the case. So I can definitely come down here and I just say print or for x in names. Just try to test some few things around here. So if I just want to print and I say maybe my name is, so definitely if I happen to come in here and I say my name is names, I say my name is names. So I think that's it for now. So if I happen to come back in here around, I think I should find this, my name is that. Or you can actually go further and specify what you want. So this, the smallest sample stuff I can do at the moment is that. But don't forget, after installing this, there are other things that you need to actually install so that you can be in a position to use Python with its modules and with its for data science, like things like maybe talk of MLT, talk of something called plotty, like maybe you can simply say import plotty. Import plotly maybe as pt. That one should also work out for you. So you already have it, this module. I think I don't have it yet installed on my PC, but I think I'm going to download them. These are some of the things you need to have them in your PC. Something like maybe talk about maybe TensorFlow. Maybe TensorFlow. You need also have TensorFlow maybe installed in your PC as TF. If you already have them, good to go. So I think I already have TensorFlow. So guys, I think I just need to wish you a nice time. Stay safe. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel for other more videos. I'm just going to take you in the next video on how to actually download the modules and how to use them with your Jupyter. So guys, thanks for now. Wish you a nice time. Please stay safe and Happy New Year. If you're from Uganda, please just come to our Expeditive Solution and do the things practically with you. If you're from far, don't forget our online course programs are launching on 2020 in January 16th. We shall be having all those things ready for you guys who might be interested in online program with us. So guys, stay safe. I wish you a nice time. Thank you. Love you all. Thank you.